Are you working in a support project? In service-based industry, most of the engagements are from support projects. So in this video, you will get to know what all skills you need to acquire as part of your support engineering. So let's begin. So when it comes to the support engineering or support project, there could be various nature. So the first one is about application support or some product support. It could be service support. And as part of the support engineering, what all things you need to automate, that we will see. And apart from that, as part of the support engineer, what other things you can do in terms of certification to enhance your career. So starting with application support. So when you work in application support or any product, you need to have a proper knowledge of that support. Application enhancement, what all the new features you can add in that product or application that you need to take care of. Apart from that, you need to do regular troubleshooting and bug fixing if there is any. Then you need to have a proper technology stack understanding before you start working in any support project. What all the tools and technologies are being used inside that application, that understanding is very necessary when you start working in application support project. Then functional flow understanding is very important. So it is important not only as a developer, but as a tester also. So if you have that high level functional understanding before you work on the technical issues or any kind of support, that will help you to understand the problem statement in a better way. Apart from that, you need to have a domain understanding, right? As part of the support engineering, there will be lots of ticket will be raised to resolve the issues, and that's where you need to have a understanding of ticketing tools like ServiceNow. Then project management toolkits like Jira plays very important role, because most of the project nowadays being touted as agile projects, even support projects, and that's where Jira tools and maintaining tasks using Jira tools is very important. Then operational deployment and installation, that's where you need to take care. So whenever you fix issues, there will be some major or minor releases. So how you are going to plan those releases in non-production and production environment, that would be the crucial thing. Then another important part as being application support engineer is to automate any repetitive task. So you need to identify those areas where you need some automation. So that is all about application support engineering. Now moving on to the service support. So suppose you are working any service-based kind of support project, you need to have proper knowledge of that domain. But apart from that, if suppose you are working in financial service kind of support project, so that's where those financial certification plays very important role. Not only finance, but according to domain, you need to acquire those certifications if available. Then there is a ITIL. So as part of information technology infrastructure library, you need to define your service strategy, service design, service transition, service operations, and continual service improvement plan. So that could be the area where you need to focus as part of ITIL. And another thing which is very common again in service support also, you need to identify any repetitive task so that you can generate some automation in that area to reduce the burden. Now coming to the automation side, so what all things you can do as part of the automation? So one simple thing, you can implement chatbot wherever is possible. So that one automation you can do. Apart from that, based on your project, you need to identify the scope of automation and enhancement. And according to that, you need to initiate those mini projects as part of your automation activity. So that is all about automation. Coming to the certification, so suppose you are working in a support project and if you really want to take your career to the next level, I feel you should go for some management kind of roles, and that's where PMP certification plays very important role. Apart from that, there are ITIL and Prince2 certification to take your support career to the next level. So these were the things at high level as part of your support engineering career. So please put in the comment section what type of support project you are working on. Means it could be application based or service based. Then second thing, you can put in the comment section about the automation, what type of automation you are planning there. And the third one, which is very important, to take your support engineering career to the next level, that is certification. So what type of certification you are planning to do, please put in the comment section. So 3 things: what type of support project you are dealing with, what kinds of automation you are planning there, and what certification you can do as part of your support engineering. So put these things in the comment section. Thank you for listening.